It's about what I choose to see in someone. And a couple of weeks ago, we had this message where I had a couple of people on a stage, and I got like a sticker, and I said, God looks at you as a 10 out of 10. Do you realize that? He doesn't look at you because you're His creation. He doesn't look at you as 4, a 3, a 1. He looks at you as a 10 out of 10. Do you realize the value God has placed on you? He died. He died on the cross so that you can be saved. And God is bigger than just anything we can realize. He's way bigger than anything, any concept. But He decided to come step into our world so that He can save us. Doesn't that communicate your value? God looks at you as a 10 out of 10 because of what Christ has done. He looks at you as so valuable. So valuable. And then He says, come, join my family, be part of this fellowship, this valuable, and share this value, this experience of who Christ is and who we are in Him with other people. Because I think the world is broken and falling apart because people have forgotten about how much God loves them.